Hello and welcome to today's exercise. The question is to solve the cubic equation on the board. Without wasting time, let us look for factors for this expression. So we have that f of x is equal to 4x cubed minus 39x plus 35. You remember our factor theorem, which says that if we are able to find a number to substitute for x and get this expression to be equal to 0, then x minus that number is a factor of this expression. So let us try 1. So we have 4 multiplied by 1 cubed minus 39 multiplied by 1 plus 35. Let us see what we get. So this is 4, of course, minus 39 plus 35. 4 minus 39 is minus 35 plus 35. This is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of this expression. Now, the next step is to find more factors by dividing this expression with the first factor we got. So what do we have? We have our long division. We have 4x cubed. There is no term in x squared. So what we do is plus 0x squared minus 39x plus 35. And of course, we are dividing with x minus 1. 4x cubed divided by x is 4x squared. This multiplied by 4x squared is 4x cubed. Minus 1 multiplied by 4x squared is minus 4x squared. We subtract. This minus that is 0. 0 minus 4x squared is plus 4x squared. We bring down 39x. 4x squared divided by x is 4x. X multiplied by this is 4x squared. Minus 1 multiplied by plus 4x is minus 4x. Once more, we subtract. This minus this is 0. Minus 39x minus 4x is the same as minus 39x plus 4x. And of course, that is minus 35x. We bring down the last quantity. Minus 35x divided by x is minus 35. This multiplied by this is minus 35x. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 35 is plus 35. And of course, when we subtract this quantity from this quantity, we have 0, 0. So now we have found the second factor of this expression. Remember, the first factor is x minus 1. This is the second factor. The next thing we do is to try and see if we can factorize the quadratic expression. Since the coefficient of x squared is not 1, what we do is to multiply the term in x squared and the constant term. And minus 4x squared multiplied by minus 35 is minus 140x squared. Now we look for factors of minus 140 that will add up to plus 4x. Of course, this is 10x and 14x. This is negative, so one of them must be negative. But their sum is positive, so the smaller one has to be the negative one. So this is minus. Now, we replace the plus 4x with these two quantities. So we have 4x squared minus 10x x plus 14x minus 35. Here, 2x will give us 2x minus 5. And here, plus 7 will give us 2x minus 5. Collecting, we have that 2x minus 5 and 2x plus 7 are the factors of this expression. So now we have found three factors for the expression given. This is the first factor, 2x minus 5 is the second factor, and 2x plus 7 is the third factor. So that simply means that we can replace this with x minus 1, 2x minus 5, and 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. Remember that when two or more things have a product of 0, that simply means that either this is equal to 0, or this is equal to 0, or this is equal to 0. So we have that it's either x minus 1 is equal to 0, in which case x is equal to, adding 1 to both sides, 1, or 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, in which case we have that 2x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 over 2, which is 2.5. Or in the third case, 2x plus 7 is equal to 0 and 2x is equal to minus 7, giving us that x is equal to minus 7 over 2, or minus 3.5. Hence, we have three solutions for the cubic equation. That is, x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 2.5, or x is equal to minus 3.5. And with that, we come to the end of today's exercise. Your assignment will be to solve the equation x cubed is equal to x. And let me know your answer in the comment section. See you in the next one.